Let's see if our website is live. Yoo-hoo! My website is live. The link is in description box.
Many of us want to begin with a website, but the problem is that the process of creation of website is quite tedious, because of which we lose our enthusiasm. First of all, I want to tell you that this is one of those videos which I am extremely proud of. I've really done a very good job on this video. I'll tell you what I've done. I'm going to start with a brand new website on the video today, and if you follow all those steps, you are going to have a website of your own absolutely in the running condition by the end of this video. And you will not believe me if I tell you that I spent only 170 rupees or so, only 170 or so to start this website and bring it into running condition. So as cheap as 170 rupees, that's it. Instead of GoDaddy, I'm going to use Namecheap. Okay, it's very safe, do not worry. Many of my friends have been using it for more than 10 or 15 years now. My name is Alina. Please subscribe to the channel. Please follow me on Instagram if you want to connect with me on a regular basis with my daily life. Give this video a like because this is one of my favorite videos. Please give this video a like, share it with somebody, and do not forget to press the bell icon because I want you to be updated about all my videos every time I upload one, because I upload daily.
I'll take you to alinarace.com/website. I created this special link for you. It will take you to Namecheap. I'll type the name of the website that I want, build your website, and I'll search. It will take me to a lot of results. And these are the results. Since this is just a demonstration, I'm going to buy the cheapest one. You're free to buy whichever one you want. This is for 75 rupees. Add to cart, checkout, and confirm the order. I already have my account, otherwise you will have to create a new account. Okay, I'll fill in my details. I'll have to fill in this form, continue, and again continue, and then I'll have to submit my card details and then again press continue. Okay, now I'll pay. This is for $1, as you can see, $1 some cents. Pay now. Payment is authorizing. Okay, I'll cross this. My purchase is done. I already have the domain name. I'll take you to manage at the bottom, red icon. Okay, here we come. Then now we have to buy the hosting. So all is happening in one go. Now I'll take you at the top and we'll click hosting, WordPress hosting. Okay, all right. Now at this page, my domain is going to auto reflect. Okay, wait. See, first of all, let me tell you, do not buy the yearly plan if you are beginning right now, because then you do not know how long you're going to use this website. So I'll take the monthly plan and get starter is what I'm going to click. Just to save money, just to know my intent if I want to continue with website. Not sure right now. $1 purchase. Okay, confirm the payment again. They already have my card details this time. Okay, here is where the name of my website is going to auto appear. Buildyourwebsite.xyz. Continue. Create WordPress website. It's done. This is the WordPress version 5.4.1. This is how it looks like. Dashboard. Okay. Now let's see if the website is live or not. Let's check. All right. Yoo-hoo! It's done. This is my new website that I just created in front of you. Okay, it's on WordPress. Okay, I'll take you to admin to take you to settings actually. I want to show you how settings look like. This is the page of settings on WordPress. Okay, now maybe we can create a post. Let me take you to post. I'll add a new post. Hello world is auto generated. I'll click that and now I'm going to edit this. Okay, I'm going to name it Ina Mina Dika. Ina Mina Dika. I like this song. Okay, and here at the bottom I'll change it to Rumpum Push. Okay, and now we're going to update this. Okay, alrighty, it's done. Now you go to your website and refresh. It's done. Let's go to the settings page again. This time let's change the appearance, themes, and I'm going to make it all white. Okay, activate. And now my website is going to be all white. It's up to you how you want to design your website.
Did you like this video? If you know what good videos are, I'm sure you must have liked this video. Give this video a like if you like it. Subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram to find out more about my life. Connect with me on a personal level. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Okay, otherwise you miss out on my updates. And that's it. Bye bye. Take care.